Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of castor oil for your hair health. You know me, I'm all about using simple, natural solutions to enhance your well-being, and castor oil for hair is no exception. We're going to break down the science behind this age-old remedy and show you exactly how to incorporate it into your hair care routine. Whether you're struggling with hair loss, dryness, or just want to boost your hair's natural beauty, castor oil might just be the magic ingredient you've been searching for. Stay tuned, because we're going to cover everything you need to know to get started. So what makes castor oil so special for your hair? Well, for starters, it's packed with essential fatty acids, specifically ricinoleic acid, which is known to nourish the scalp and hair follicles. This nourishment is crucial for strengthening hair strands, reducing breakage, and promoting overall hair growth. But it doesn't stop there. Castor oil is also a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This is especially beneficial for those with dry, brittle hair, as it helps to lock in hydration and prevent split ends, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and more manageable. And if you're looking for that enviable shine, castor oil has got you covered. Its unique composition helps to smooth down the hair cuticles, reflecting light more effectively and giving your hair a healthy, glossy appearance. Think of it as a natural conditioner that not only improves the health of your hair, but also enhances its appearance. It's like a 2-for-1 deal you don't want to miss out on. So, whether you're dealing with hair loss, dryness, or simply want to give your hair a boost, castor oil can be a game changer in your hair care routine. When choosing your castor oil, consider pure, cold-pressed, and hexane-free options. Each type offers unique benefits for your hair. Pure castor oil is the most basic form, offering all the natural benefits without any additives. Cold-pressed castor oil retains more nutrients because it's extracted without heat, making it even more nourishing. Hexane-free castor oil is processed without chemicals, making it a safer option for those with sensitive scalps. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the science behind castor oil's magic. As we mentioned earlier, this oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, an unusual fatty acid not found in many other substances. This ricinoleic acid is a potent anti-inflammatory, meaning it can help soothe an irritated scalp and create a healthier environment for hair growth. But that's not all. Castor oil is also a good source of omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining the integrity of your hair cell membranes. These fatty acids act as building blocks for healthy hair cells, ensuring they can retain moisture and resist damage. And let's not forget about the antioxidants present in castor oil. These powerful compounds fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that damage hair cells and contribute to premature aging. By neutralizing free radicals, castor oil helps protect your hair from environmental stressors and keeps it looking youthful and vibrant. Think of these nutrients as the building blocks for healthy, strong, and beautiful hair. They work synergistically to nourish your scalp, strengthen your strands, and enhance your hair's natural beauty from the inside out. So the next time you reach for a hair care product, take a look at the ingredient list. If you see castor oil, you know you're giving your hair a healthy dose of the good stuff. Now let's talk about a common hair concern that many people struggle with: dandruff. If you've ever experienced those pesky white flakes on your scalp and clothes, you know how frustrating and embarrassing it can be. The good news is that castor oil can be a powerful ally in the fight against dandruff. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties help to combat the root cause of dandruff, which is often an overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus called Malassezia globosa. This fungus thrives on the sebum, or oil, produced by our scalps. When there's an overgrowth, it can lead to inflammation, itching, and those telltale flakes we all dread. Castor oil helps to control the growth of this fungus, reducing inflammation and calming the scalp. Moreover, castor oil's moisturizing properties help to alleviate dryness, another common culprit behind dandruff. By keeping the scalp hydrated and balanced, castor oil creates an environment where dandruff is less likely to thrive. So if you're looking for a natural and effective way to combat dandruff, give castor oil a try. It's a gentle, yet powerful solution that can help restore your scalp's health and leave you feeling confident and flake-free. Ready to unlock the full potential of castor oil for your hair? Let's walk through the best way to apply it for maximum benefits. First and foremost, remember that a little goes a long way with castor oil. It's quite thick and viscous, so you only need a small amount, especially if you have fine hair. Start by warming up a tablespoon or less of castor oil between your palms. This helps to make it easier to spread and absorb into your scalp. Next, gently massage the oil into your scalp using your fingertips. This is key. Massaging not only helps to distribute the oil evenly, but also stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which can further promote hair growth. Don't be afraid to apply a bit of pressure, and really work the oil into your roots. Once you've massaged your scalp thoroughly, you can work any remaining oil through the lengths of your hair. This can help to condition and add shine to your strands. If you have oily hair, you can skip this step or focus mainly on the ends. Finally, cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a warm towel and leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for a deeper treatment. Then wash your hair as usual with a gentle shampoo. So there you have it. The secret to amazing hair health is unlocked with castor oil. This natural powerhouse has been used for centuries to promote hair growth, combat dryness, and even fight off dandruff. And the best part? It's readily available and easy to incorporate into your hair care routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on natural hair care. See you next time.